Hi everybody, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can delete your Tinder account. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Tinder application. Now once you're there, the user face will appear somewhat like this. You will be suggested with many persons to date or chat with. So now from the appear section, go ahead and tap on the bottom right corner where there is little profile icon located. So once you tap on it, you will be appear with the profile section. Now here you can see the gear icon on the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll be appear with your Tinder settings. So now what you're gonna do is scroll down and all the way down, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the option delete account. So what you're gonna do is simply go ahead and tap on delete account. Now here you get two options, which is pause my account or delete my account. So pause my account means if you wanna don't use your account for a certain time, you can just go ahead and tap on pause my account, and your account will be paused for a few times on how much you set the limit. And if you tap on delete my account, your Tinder account will be permanently deleted. So here we want to delete our Tinder account, so what you do is tap on delete my account. So once you tap on it, they will ask you for the reason on why you want to delete your Tinder account. So you can just go ahead and skip this part, or if you want to give the reason, you can just select any of this genuine reason. Now once it's done, you can just go ahead and confirm it. Doing so will successfully help you delete your Tinder account. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.